This ABC15 flash briefing is sponsored by Sanderson Ford. All roads lead to Sanderson Ford.
Good morning on a Wednesday. Nick Saletti here with our top stories. Federal officials are sounding the alarm this morning over fake prescription pills that could contain fentanyl. The DEA is working to crack down on drugs crossing the border right now while warning parents to be on the lookout for these rainbow-colored pills. We've told you about them before. Between May and September, the DEA and police in at least 21 states, including Arizona, have seized more than 10 million fentanyl pills and hundreds of pounds of powder. Fentanyl is a problem in Arizona, and the Maricopa County Attorney's Office is taking action for parents, holding a Q&A discussion last night in Glendale to talk about the warning signs that somebody is using and that one pill can kill.
If they're a new user, they probably don't get a chance to become addicted to it.
MCAO saying nearly 20 million pills have been seized in Arizona, with fentanyl cases skyrocketing since 2017. ABC15 is going in depth on the fentanyl drug crisis here. You can join us for our special coverage next week on ABC15. Shining a light on an important cause, quite literally. You may have noticed at night the Capitol Dome is lit up in the color gold. It's all in an effort to raise awareness for Childhood Cancer Month. I recently spoke with Beverly Tidwell, director of the Candlelighters Childhood Cancer Foundation of Southern Arizona. In 2000, she lost her son William to a brain tumor, and since then she's made it her mission to make sure other families have the support they need. Why do you think it's so important to raise awareness this way? I mean, people will see the Capitol and it's lit up in gold, and it might cause them to ask, hey, what's that for?
These are very young families. They don't have a lot of resources to really speak out and speak up. And it's very exhausting caring for an ill child in treatment. And so just knowing that other people care, I think takes people a long way in those struggles and challenges.
So if you'd like to learn more about Candlelighters and their mission, we've posted a link where you can help out on abc15.com. Happening today, the Scottsdale Unified School District holding their final town hall to discuss what's called an override renewal, which will be on the November ballot and would bring in $14.5 million for school improvements. The meeting is at Saguaro High School at 6 o'clock. New developments in the White House's plan to combat hunger. We told you about this on Monday. The administration creating an $8 billion five-pillar plan that focuses on hunger, nutrition, and health. The efforts including organizations and companies across the country. And now we're getting a better idea of what this means for Arizona. DoorDash will partner with 18 cities, including Mesa and Tucson, to provide $1 million in community credits, which Arizonans can use for free food delivery. There's also Project Dash that gives food banks easier access to these deliveries. The greatest show on grass, about 130 days out, but construction has started at TPC Scottsdale for the Waste Management Phoenix Open, WM Phoenix Open. It's starting at the Cove on the 17th hole, while construction on the 16th hole and others build out next week. The WM Phoenix Open is February 6th to the 12th, right there to Super Bowl Sunday. Training camp is underway for our Phoenix Suns. You can see the team in action this weekend at open practice. Free tickets are available at Saturday's practice at Footprint Center, and it all starts at 11 o'clock. For the latest headlines, weather, and traffic, go to abc15.com or download our free ABC15 mobile app.
This ABC15 flash briefing is sponsored by Sanderson Ford. All roads lead to Sanderson Ford.